How to promote Clickbank products. There are a few different ways you can promote Clickbank products. Here are some strategies you can try. Write and publish high-quality content on your website or blog. This will help you attract organic traffic from search engines, which you can then redirect to the Clickbank product you are promoting. Utilize social media to promote your content and the Clickbank product. Share links to your content and product on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Invest in paid advertising to reach a wider audience. You can use platforms such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads to target specific demographics and interests. Build an email list and send regular newsletters promoting the Clickbank product. Email marketing can be an effective way to reach potential customers and encourage them to purchase the product. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. You can guest post on their blogs or offer them a commission for promoting your Clickbank product to their audience. It's important to remember that the success of your Clickbank product promotion will depend on a number of factors, including the quality of the product, the relevance of the product to your audience, and the effectiveness of your marketing strategy.